Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 22nd August 2026. This week was the busiest for forex debt issuance by Indian lenders. ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, IDFC First Bank, HDFC Bank and Bank of Baroda together raised a massive $4.4 billion, and the bulk of the proceeds may be used to help fund the leverage for foreign currency non-resident bank or FCNR deposits. LG Electronics India is looking to exports and B2B products as key growth drivers as its Korean parent aims to make India a global manufacturing hub. The company expects these businesses to help improve margins amid pressure from higher raw material costs, rupee depreciation, and geopolitical risks. India is set to approve a $1.2 billion incentive scheme to boost domestic production of high-value construction equipment, including tunnel boring machines, and reduce import dependence on China. The program is expected to attract $1.8 billion in investment over 7 years. Fairfax Financial may receive 2 years to consolidate its Indian bank holdings. This consolidation is necessary for its acquisition of a majority stake in IDBI Bank. The government and Life Insurance Corporation are finalizing this significant transaction. Fairfax currently holds a substantial stake in the smaller lender CSB Bank. The Canadian investor will either sell its CSB stake or merge it with IDBI Bank. In a major relief to law graduates, the Supreme Court on Friday reduced to a year the earlier mandatory requirement of 3-year legal practice for them to take entry-level judicial service examination. However, the selected candidates will have to undergo training at the Judicial Academy and a further 1-year clerkship. Meesho anticipates generating over 10 lakh seasonal job opportunities across its vast ecosystem. This significant employment boost will support increased demand during the upcoming festive period. Approximately 6.5 lakh jobs will be created within Meesho's extensive seller network. Elon Musk's Starlink plans to bring satellite internet to India's least served regions. This service aims to connect rural areas where traditional broadband infrastructure is limited. Starlink's entry will expand internet access beyond major Indian cities and markets. The company is actively seeking to launch its satellite broadband services in India. India's government is developing regulations for satellite spectrum allocation and services. The government is examining industry concerns over the denial of input tax credit or ITC on goods and services used to construct immovable property for its own use. Industry's position is that the restriction increases the cost of large investment because the GST paid becomes part of the project cost instead of being available as a credit.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.